In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to give access in Shopify to customer events. This is really handy if you're working with a freelancer or an agency or anyone managing your ads. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get into it. First, let's quickly cover what Shopify customer events are. These are actions your shoppers take, like viewing a product, adding it to cart, or completing a purchase. This is the data your ads use to optimize, so having access set up correctly is really important. All right, assuming you've already accepted a collaborator request to your store, that's step one. If you haven't, I'll leave you a link to another video where I walk you through that process. Now, here's how to get it set up. First, log into your Shopify store and head over to settings. Click users. Depending on your plan, it may say users and permissions. Now, pick the collaborator you want to give access to. Scroll down to roles and click assign role. If you already have a role that blocks access to customer events, remove it. Then click create new role. Give the role a name, I usually call it admin user. Under permissions, hit select all permissions except finances. No need to give access to that. Go back to the collaborator and add this new role you just created. Finally, double check that under store settings, both view customer events and manage and edit custom pixels are selected. And that's it, guys. That's how you give access to customer events in Shopify, quick and straightforward. Guys, if you have any roadblocks on this, leave a comment down below. My team and I, we read these comments and we'll do our best to help you out. And if you want help scaling your Google Ads campaigns, my team and I, we can help you. We have an agency where we scale Google Ads for e-commerce stores. You can book a call with my team down below and we'll show you how we do this for your store. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.